Have you ever felt like you're doing everything they told you to do? You're posting every single day, you're sending messages, you're going live, you're attending trainings, you're traveling to all the events, and you're staying pretty positive. You're managing your mindset, yet somehow your business still feels very unpredictable. 1 month you enroll 3 people, the next month it's crickets. And if that's you, I have some good news. The problem probably isn't your work ethic. The problem isn't your personality. And it's definitely not because you just need to want it more. You've got that in the bag. The real problem is something almost nobody ever teaches in network marketing. In fact, in this industry, we completely ignore it. We act like for some reason, we're like a unicorn that doesn't need any of this. And today I'm going to show you exactly what that is. And once you see it, you'll never look at your business the same again. My name is Mandy Sommers. I've spent almost 2 decades building a network marketing business, and I have spent over 2 decades building businesses online. I've built a 7-figure network marketing business without constantly chasing people or living on my phone or having to travel all over the world. What changed everything wasn't working harder for me. It was building systems. And today I want to show you the exact mindset shift that changed everything for me. So most of us were taught to focus on the income producing activities. So we're going to post, we're going to host classes, we're going to message 5 people, we're going to invite 3 people, we're going to make sure that we're following up, and then we're going to repeat all of that tomorrow. And while none of these are bad, they all depend on you remembering to do them and you showing up to do them. So think about that. If you don't wake up motivated today, then nothing happens. Nothing. If your kids get sick, nothing happens. If you take a vacation, nothing happens. If life gets busy, everything stops. And friend, that is not a business. That is a job you've created for yourself. And you know, the worst part is most people spend so much time blaming themselves. They just get all anxious and they carry guilt and shame about it. Now, I want you to imagine that you owned your own restaurant, and every morning you have to remember to unlock the doors, and you have to remember to turn the lights on, and you have to remember to order all the food so you have something to cook for people, and you have to remember to seat the customers, and you have to remember to cook all the meals, and you have to remember to take every single payment. Would that restaurant survive? The answer is, of course not. Successful businesses create systems. McDonald's doesn't rely on employees remembering everything. Amazon doesn't hope someone follows up, and Disney doesn't cross their fingers that guests have a magical experience. Everything is built in a system. So why do we expect our network marketing businesses to run so differently? Why do we expect that they're just going to magically work when we don't have systems set up? The truth is, you probably don't have a lead problem, and you probably don't have a recruiting problem, and you probably don't even have a sales problem. The problem is you have a systems problem. Think about that. When you own your own business, how many people have you messaged today? And how many people have you forgotten to follow up with? And how many customers bought one time, but you never took the time to reach back out and offer for them to buy something different? How many potential leaders said, okay, yes, but maybe later, and later never came? And that's not because you're lazy. It's because you're trying to remember everything yourself. Instead of thinking about daily tasks that you need to accomplish, I want you to start thinking about systems. Every successful network marketing business has 5 systems. System 1 is your lead generation system. It's how you find strangers and how strangers find you without you having to go out and travel the world. System number 2 is a follow-up system. What happens when somebody says, send me the information? How is that system set up in your business? System number 3 is continuing education. Do your customers know how to use the products, and do they stay excited? Or are you having to manually teach each one of your customers exactly how to use their product? System number 4 is recruiting. Can someone learn about your opportunity even while you're sleeping, or even better than that, while you are on vacation? And then system number 5 is retention. How are you keeping your customers and team members engaged month after month? Now, if even one of these systems is missing, your business feels harder than it should. So for years, I thought I needed more motivation. I thought I needed more discipline. I thought I needed to be a better planner. I needed more hours in my day. And quite honestly, I convinced myself that network marketing broke something in me. But what I actually needed was fewer decisions to make on a daily basis. When I started building automations and systems, everything changed. And that's one reason why I have an amazing training for you in the comments below. Go ahead and click my GHL training, where you will get a 30-day free trial of the exact platform that I use. It's an all-in-one for all my funnels, my automations, my texting, my membership site. And it gets even better than that. When you use that link, you're going to get my network marketing templates, and you're going to get weekly mentoring in our group coaching on Tuesdays. And as long as you're using GHL with that link below, you will have access to our weekly trainings. Now, when I finally started building out systems and automations, everything changed. I actually became the grand prize winner of our incentive trip. People stopped slipping through cracks. Customers started staying longer. My volume started going up. My follow-up became more consistent. And I finally felt like I was owning my own business instead of my business owning me. So if today's video is like stirring something in you and you're like, this is exactly what I've needed, this is what I have been looking for, then I have created something completely free for you. It's called my Network Marketing Business System Checklist. It walks you through the exact systems every successful network marketer should have in place, and you can download it in the link below when you get a free GHL trial for 30 days. So it's a 30-day free trial. You will get access to my membership site that will teach you how to use GHL, my live coaching every single week, and my network marketing business systems checklist. You can opt in the description below. And if you're serious about creating a business that keeps working even when your life gets busy, I'm going to show you exactly how to use GHL and the automations and the funnels in it every single day. I'm going to show you exactly how to implement this in network marketing. It's different than any other business model that you're going to do. In the next video, I'm going to show you the 5 systems every successful network marketer has and exactly how they work together. And once you understand these 5 pieces, building your business becomes so much simpler. If you found value in this video, please give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button so you can be notified every single time I upload a brand new video, and we'll see you in the next video.